Crypto Dough. Welcome on into another episode of the Crypto Dough channel. And we're talking about a crypto update, right? April 2nd is coming up. That's when we will have the database on the tariffs and what's going on with the tariffs. Are these retaliation tariffs? How is it going to affect the market? Are we going to, are these tariffs is actually going to lead to free trade? Because that would be beneficial. I think that's the game plan. But I want to talk about, is the worst over yet for crypto, right? Let's get into it. I'm Crypto Dough. I've been doing this for well over 6 years, and I want to share everything I know with you guys so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Let's check out the market real quick. Look at the altcoin index. We're at a 21 out of 100. The Fear and Greed index, it was at a 15 just the other day. Now it's at a 27. It's somewhat on a rise, right? Let's check out Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin, I believe, is at 86,000. Last time I checked, it was at 86 or 87,000. Okay, we at $87,337, right? As you guys can see, we actually went up a bit. About 2%, 3%. Okay, let's check out XRP. And then I'm going to read an article, and we can actually check it out on the graph as well. XRP is at $2.45. For some reason, while the market was dropping, XRP kind of did good for this month, right? A lot of these other cryptocurrencies, right, they kind of drop 30, 40%, depending, 20%, 10%. XRP in a month only dropped 4.5, 4.8%. That's kind of stable. That's stable. That's kind of a good sign. Now, as far as the update, do you think that the market has more size to go, more room to go down? Perhaps it does, right? We still didn't hit the target of 73,000 for Bitcoin, right? In order for it to be bullish, in order for Bitcoin to be bullish and the market to be bullish, it have to close above 91,000 for at least 2 to 3 days, right? It can't just go over 91,000 and come crashing down. That may be a fake out. So let's see what I have it on Traders View. How you guys feeling today? Smash that like button. This Monday, top of the week. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video. That's all I ask. How you guys feeling today? Okay, I did a graph a while back for Bitcoin. So let's check it out. That's a Bitcoin graph right there. Charting right there on Traders View. So let's check it out. Now in Traders View, I told you guys way back, I had drawn this line too. You guys see how we dipped all the way down. You can follow this line. We dipped all the way down and we wicked down to about 70, about 81,000. And I said we could change in between this channel right here. This is the top of the channel, 92,000. The bottom of the channel would be 81,000. We could trade in between this. And for some reason, we're literally, let me move that out the way. We're literally trading in between it. Now we have resistance right here. So is it going to wick up and then come down to 79, wick back up to 86, come down? It's still overall a falling channel. That's still a falling channel. Now, depending on the April 2nd news, that's what everyone is waiting on. I don't know if it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. I don't really know if it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, because everyone is waiting patient, and some people are speculating that risk on assets like crypto and stocks may go down, right? 10 to 20%, but bonds may go up. That's why I tell people you got to play both sides. You have to play the game, right? If risk assets go down, bonds generally go up. So you have to play both sides of the totem pole. You can't have all your eggs in one basket. You can't have it all in crypto. You can't have it all in stocks. You can't have it all in real estate. You have to diversify, right? Warren Buffett, you must diversify. And it's a lot of people who have took out of the market, and they have a lot of money on the sidelines. So pay attention to that too. Is there a major correction to come? What about these tariffs and everything else? And I think the tariffs is, to me, is an art of war, right? It's to negotiate America being in a better position, right? But I don't think tariffs are the only thing that's needed in order to stop America's problem. That's one way to go, but it's more that can be done. Me, honestly speaking, it's more that can be done. But tariffs is a great start, right? We're gonna have some type of short-term pain, of course, but inevitably it is a great start. So, like I say, I have Joe D's lines a while back. Um, if it comes down to the $81,000 mark, it can drop down to 68 to 73,000. This is the downtrend right here. I'm gonna keep this graph on for a while, and then if it goes up, right? If it breaks up above 90 91,000, right? We can go all the way up to 10. We can go all the way up to 108, 108,000 for Bitcoin, right? We can go, we can do that. But also April, another thing that's coming in April that a lot of people is not really thinking about is the money supply. Is the M2 money supply supposed to be coming out in April, meaning that more money will be introduced to the system? Now, where would that money travel? We have to figure it out, right? Where would that money travel? We would then have to figure it out. Let's read a crypto market update. And this news just came out. We're going to read a crypto market update real quick. All right, let's read a crypto market update real quick. And this one is called Crypto Market Update. Here's how Solana, Bitcoin, and others are faring today. Get that screen a little larger. Let me get the ad out of you guys way to the best of my ability. They have to get some form of ads to get paid. So I totally understand that. Okay, so I'm going to go out and then. Okay, so this is the ad right here. Okay, here the ad go right here. Sometimes you have to play with the system. Okay, crypto market update. Here's how Solana, Bitcoin, and others are faring today. And this is coming from the sources Business Standards. It's called Business Standards. I'm going to leave that and pin that. I'm going to leave that in the chat for you guys. Actually, in the description. My apologies. Let's go. Okay, Bitcoin price today, March 24th, 2025. Cryptocurrencies were trading higher on Monday, March 24th, 2025. Bitcoin BTC, the world's most popular, largest crypto by market capitalization, traded higher by nearly 3.33%, 333s, reaching around 86,904. Well, right now it's 87 and some change at 11:30 a.m. on March 24th. Bitcoin surged past the 87,000 mark over the weekend, with bulls remaining control and defending lower levels. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has traded between 84,000 and 87. The 24-hour trading value in Bitcoin stands at 17.98 billion. Now, to me, this is extremely low for Bitcoin. As far as the trading value, to me, that's extremely low, right? As far as the trading value, that's extremely low for Bitcoin. Edel Patel, CEO and co-founder of Merdrix, if I butchered your name, my bad. Expect sideways trading until April. I believe so. Remember I say April 2nd was coming out April 2nd? the tariff update. We will have more direction on where the market is going, right? We will have way more direction on where the actual market is going. Okay. Bitcoin surged past, okay, sideways April 2nd, okay, citing that broader macroeconomic concerns continue to affect all markets. That's factual because everything is going up. Eggs is going up, which is people are concerned about eggs. Inflation is going up, and I don't think it don't matter who was president. These are the things that was guaranteed to happen because look at how America and what America has been doing for decades, right? Labor. We complain about migrants and all of that, and I look at it like this, right? Okay, cheap labor can be good. It could be good, but for a short term. I think cheap labor stops innovations. Think about it. If people can only do the basics, then they don't want to do the advanced things or the things that can innovate and break through markets, right? Then as a whole, what are we doing? Yes, we may, it's like we're running in place. With cheap labor, we're running in place. Nothing against immigrants or anything, but I am all for innovation. I am all for making the space better, not just consistently continue to run in the same space. And I think that's what's been affecting America. Yeah, we can outsource and we can go and hire immigrants to do this and do that. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's the sector for that, right? But at the same time, that actually stifles innovation. It literally stifles innovation. But let's continue. That's just my take on it. According to Patel, Bitcoin has a strong support at 81,000, right? As you guys can see in my graph that I showed you guys, that was part of the lower part of the trading downtrend triangle that I drew, with the next key resistance level at 87. Okay, notably, Bitcoin is still nearly 20% lower than its all-time high at 109, and people are complaining about it being at 81,000. Well, we came such a long way. According to the data from Binance, the market capitalizations of Bitcoin was approximately 1.72 trillion. Meanwhile, other cryptocurrencies were also trading higher on Monday, March 24th. Among others, Solana traded higher by 6%, followed by ETH. ETH is over 2,000, which traded higher by 3%, Ripple by 3%, and Binance Coin BNB, which saw a 0.33% a rise, according to the data source from Binance. Early on Friday, March 21st, 2025, the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC, Crypto Task Force held its inaugural meeting with experts to discuss the security status of digital assets. This meeting occurred against the backdrops of U.S. President Donald Trump announcements to create a crypto strategic reserve in the United States on March 2nd. Trump signed executive orders to establish in the crypto strategic reserve with the goal of boosting the industry. The reserve, Trump said, will include Bitcoin, Ripple, Solana, Cardano, and Ethereum. All right, just giving you guys a quick update, quick market update. Let me know what you guys think. Right? Let me pin the purchase the crypto beginner guide as well. That's how you support the channel. Also, in the description, I left a myriad of things that can actually help you guys out, from Coinbase to setting up accounts. I'm working on a few more affiliate links. I Trust Capital, I'm working on that one as we speak. And I'm also working on another one that you could actually use as firewalls and fire blocks to actually put a percentage of your crypto in. You don't ever want to have everything in one basket. So I have a couple of ledgers. I keep it on a couple of hot wallets, different different assets. And then I'm going to purchase this firewall one that allows the banks to actually own it, but they have their own different firewall mechanisms. They send it to other banks, right? And I think that's going to be beneficial to the crypto space. That will be beneficial to the crypto space. But let me know what you guys think about the crypto market, the stock market, tariffs, what's going on with that. What do you think about Bitcoin? A lot of people are in fear right now, as you guys can see. The market is very fearful, but I think this is a good time. You got to be very optimistic. This is a good time to buy things that you never had, or have some money on the side. Because, like I said, it could dip even lower. Let's wait until these updates and let's see the sentiment of what's really going on with the market. I don't want to be quick to jump the gun until people go all in. And plus, I cannot give financial advice, right? I can't give financial advice because this is how this place works. But I see an opportunity. Nonetheless, I see a grand opportunity. I pinned the crypto guide to the top of the chat. I pinned the crypto guide pinned it to the top of the chat. So I appreciate everyone for tuning on in. Happy Monday. Make sure that you build, create, and conquer. Get to your dreams. Know that we are all in this world together. So a lot of people are going through hard times right now, but life isn't made to be easy. And if it is, I doubt that you will want it. So just keep it going, keep conquering, keep at it, keep cheering for yourself because you're your number one fan. And life will prevail. You will get exactly what you desire. The more work you put in, the more you conquer it. So just giving you guys some positivity for this Monday. I appreciate everyone. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification for me if you can. And you guys have a good day. Have a great day, in fact. This is Crypto Doe once again. Put on your seatbelts. It's time to take off.